Alright, so my steering wheel just came in. Kind of excited to unbox this because I haven't really got anything for my car lately. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. So this here is my new steering wheel. Actually amazed by the quality. It's titanium with red stitching around the leather, and the wheel itself is comfortable when applying pressure to it. So that's very nice. It comes with everything you need, like the hardware, wiring, and this bezel for the horn looks also amazing. You can tell they also paid attention to detail. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to install this now. Alright, so next clip. So this is the steering wheel I currently have on my car. I like it, it matches my paint and everything, but I just decided to go with something else. And this is the new wheel I went with. So I wish I would have showed you guys the process of actually how to take off the OEM wheel, but I already did that a long time ago. And it's pretty easy, honestly. You just need the hub and the quick release system, and that's pretty much it in your wheel. And very easy to install. If I do decide to do that on my G37, I will make a video on that. But for now, just swapping this one over to the new one, and I'll show you guys the process. So I removed the steering wheel now, and this one feels a lot different than the one I have now. It has indents on the back for grip. The other one does not, but the other one feels a lot more comfortable. This one feels a little heavier. The dish is also deeper. This one is made by NRG. If you guys actually want to purchase this one, I also got this one in this style, but titanium, or this one. This one's slightly less deep, which I kind of like since my turn signals are a little harder to get to since this one is deeper. But yeah, follow me on Instagram at visuals, and you'll see my parts page there if you guys are wanting to buy one of these. So now I'm gonna put this one on and see how it looks. The steering wheel is on now, and it looks amazing. Feels soft and looks different, so that's good. Here's the old one. I hang it in my room for now, but yeah.